February. It is Black History Month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do this eye look. Original look was this eye look with a nude lip, but I am heading to an event right now. I really did not want to do a nude lip for that event. I really wanted to be bold and do this purple look. But I will show you how I got that nude lip and show you which products that I used to do the nude lip. So before this video continues, if you are loving this look, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So I already did my brows off camera. I'm going to start off by using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. It's the original. So I will now be using the L'Oreal La Palette Nude Intense, and I will be using this gray shade right here. And I'll be using my blending brush from Lamora. So I'm going to start off at the outer edge and then just blend it inwards. This is going to be our transition shade. You just want to do a windshield motion, just going back and forth. I like to hold my brush at the very end, just so that I feel like it helps with blending because you're not putting too much pressure. I am now going to be using my BH Cosmetics Carli Bybel palette, and I'll be using this mauve shade right here. I'm going to be using the same brush that I used to put the transition shade. Just gonna clean it off on this paper towel. So we're going to apply this shade below the transition shade. This color is just gonna give some warmth to the eyes. And just add some more color. Going to go back into the transition shade. I am now going to cut the crease and create a base. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer. It's basically done, but it's still got some products in it. You know, I want to use every single bit of it before I buy another one. You know, I'm gonna use every single penny that I spent on it. I'm just going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush 103. Now going to be using the Hard Candy palette, and I'm going to be using this pink shade right here. Just going to go back to the mauve color, and just using this color to blend out the two shades. Using the Lamora detail pencil brush, I'm going to use the same mauve color from the Beach Cosmetics, and I'll be putting this on my waterline. I'm going to go back to the L'Oreal palette and go back to the transition shade, and we're going to put this on the waterline as well. To use this golden shade, just add it to the inner corner. I'm gonna use that same color on the brow bone. Now we are going to use this white highlight shade, and we're just going to add that color on top of the golden highlight shade that we put on. Going to use the blending brush from Lamora again. I wiped it clean with a paper towel, and I'm just going to blend the highlight shade that I have on my brow bone and my transition shade. So I'm just going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back. I am back. So all I did was add some eyeliner. It's from the BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I am wearing the Eyeliner definition lashes. So now I'm going to do my foundation, my contour, and my highlight. So I'm going to speed through it. If you guys want to see a more detailed video, I will leave the link down in the description box below. There will probably be a card here. So for my highlight, I'm actually going to be using this eyeshadow shade. It's a pink chromatic shade. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So this is the color. Hope you guys can see it. It's a pink chromatic shade, so it shifts from pink to a gold color. So I'm going to be using this shade plus the shade that I always wear as my highlight. I'm just going to add that pink shade. So you don't want to add too much of the shade because you don't want your cheeks to be pink, but just enough to show off that chromatic color. So for the nude lip, I use a brown lip liner. Just any brown lip liner, doesn't matter which brand it's from as long as it's brown, to outline your lips. Then I use this NYX liquid lipstick. It is the color Cabaret Show. It's a really nice nude color. I can't wear this color by itself, which is the reason why I use a dark brown lip pencil. So to go over, I use this brown lip pencil to outline my lips, and then I use this NYX lip cream liquid lipstick in the color Cabaret for my nude lip, and then I just top it off with a clear lip gloss to give me that nice glow. Again, this is what I used to do that nude lip in my photos and in the video that you saw earlier in this video. So I'm going to use the same brown lip pencil to outline my lips. And I am now going to be using this MAC liquid lipstick. It is in the color Old Lady. This is the Retro Matte collection. So I'm just going to use some clear gloss to add some shine. Only to the center of my lips. This is the e.l.f. Lip Lacquer lip gloss. And this is the finished look. So I am really late for this event, so I am going to go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram and also my Twitter, which is where I'll keep you guys updated of when I'll be posting a new video, as well as asking you guys questions of what you guys want to see on my channel. So I hope you have a great, wonderful evening, morning, night, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. And yeah, bye! Do y'all hear that? Bro! Let me do that.